Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we are all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out, so please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I have 5 stocks in my watch list today, tickers BFT, LAZR, MP, PLTR and QS. Out of the 5, I'm more inclined to trade PLTR as the stock is clearly holding the uptrend pre-market. I will also be watching LAZR closely at market open, but the stock is a little on the pricey side. The market opens in another 5 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in a minute. I'm watching both LAZR and PLTR. Looks like LAZR may give me some quick setups. So I'll be watching LAZR and PLTR very closely into market open. The market is open. I'm just placing an order on LAZR at 44.55. Maybe it's too aggressive. Hopefully I get my entry. So PLTR, yep, clearly without me. I'll wait for a pullback. 30.50 would be my entry now, or my support. Let me mark that, 30.50. So I'm putting an order for 100 shares. 30.50. Let me put it 52. Just put an order out there in case if it wants to give me an entry, quick entry. Got in. Oh, I'm in both LAZR and PLTR together. It's not a good thing. I think I will exit on LAZR for now. I completely missed it. I'll have a hard time trading this now because I'm in both the stocks. Just placing a sell order. Yep, I got filled on LAZR. So I've exited from LAZR and now just PLTR. So PLTR was falling. I'm just getting 200 shares now. I'm in PLTR. I had some support levels identified, but I think like this drop is a surprise to me. I would actually exit from the trade pretty soon. I'm in 300 shares, which is obviously more than my typical size. So I think I'm in the money now. I think I'll just wait. So I'm just putting an order for 200 shares out at 30.20. Yep, PLTR on 200 shares. I'm out. I'm just remaining with 100 shares. I think I would just sell it if it falls below 30. So that's the plan. Just selling for now. So on the trades today, I did not get enough time to plan. It was completely pretty quick. So this drop, I never anticipated this drop, so I was in a hurry to get to my order. And probably you guys would have noted that in the video. And I got in with more than usual share size. So I was not comfortable being in 2 stocks at the time. So I think it's a good time to stop trading and call it today. Today overall was a great day of trading, and on the day I made close to $218. All of that happened in less than 10 minutes. I would take what the market gives and be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.